Hello, this will be a tutorial on using mass change to set your budget and revenue variances to 0. First thing you want to do is go to the SSDT documentation. In the search bar, type in set variance. You will want the article on setting estimate versus actual variances to 0. If you have time, please review all of the information on this page as it is very useful to this mass change. However, two items that you will need from this page are the mass change JSON files, one for revenue, one for budgets. You will want to download these to your machine. In USAS, on the expenditure and on the revenue tabs respectively, click on mass change, click import definition, and you will want to select the definition that is appropriate for the respective tabs. Select the JSON and then click save. Once you have those mass change definitions loaded into your files, the next step will be to click Advanced Query. Under Advanced Query, you will want to find, for the Expenditure tab, Fiscal Year to Date Unencumbered. The operation you will want to select is not equals, and the value is 0. Once you have that listed, then click Apply Query. Please note this may take up to several minutes depending on the number of expenditure accounts you have in your files. Once the query has been ran, then click Hide Advanced Query Controls. Click Mass Change. Under Load Definition, you will want to select Set Budget Variances to 0. Click Execution Mode. From here, you can enter a date that you want this change to happen. And if you wish to change the default description, you can do so here. The filming of this video is on 11/9/2021. And currently my files are in October. So I will use a October date for expediency. Normally, this is a procedure that would be done at the end of the fiscal year. Once you have your date and description entered, click Submit Mass Change. Depending on the number of records being changed, this can take anywhere from several seconds to 5 minutes. So you will have to wait on the blue line to complete this change to your files. Once the mass change has been completed, you will receive a temporary message stating the number of accounts changed. Your screen will no longer show any accounts on it since none of them meet the advanced query that you entered. So in the example here, you can see that the mass change is saying that no expenditure accounts will be modified. You can close mass change. You can then click Advanced Query, Clear Query, and then hide. If you're wondering if an account was updated, you can go to that account and see if the variance has changed. Like the expenditure account change, the revenue account change is nearly the same, though slightly different. You will want to upload your mass change file. On Advanced Query, you will want to find remaining balance. Click and drag to add it to the screen. This operation is the same, not equals, 0, then apply query. Again, depending on the number of accounts that the system has to sort through, this can take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple minutes. Once the query has been applied, click Hide Advanced Query Controls. Click on Mass Change. Set Revenue Variances to 0 SSDT is the script that you should have loaded into your files. Click execution mode, enter a date. If you'd like to change the description for auditing purposes, feel free. Then click submit mass change. Again, depending on the number of accounts that you are updating, this can take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes. We received a blue message saying that 5 revenue accounts were updated. We can then close the mass change. Click on advanced query again, clear query, then hide advanced query, and then we can review any accounts that need to be reviewed. If you have any questions, please feel free to put a ticket into FStaff. Again, mass changes cannot be undone, so please be very careful when making a mass change. Thank you.